Happy Valentine's Day! Hey dolls, welcome back and thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. If you're new, my name is MICHAWN and I do weekly DIYs, hauls, and other fun things. If you're not new, hey doll, hey! So today I just wanted to wish everyone a happy early Valentine's Day. I hope you all are well and will have a fabulous weekend, whether you stay in or go out with your special loved one. I also wanted to say a big thank you to each and every one of you. I have reached 10,000 subscribers and I am so excited, so happy about it, and it could not have been possible without each and every one of you. I always tell you guys I adore you, I love you, I appreciate each and every one of you that has been on this DIY journey with me and are still with me, because honey, it has been a DIY journey, okay? If you were with me when I first started, you know. Because you know. But I just really wanted to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate you guys for getting me here to this milestone. I'm so excited to reach my next milestone of 15,000 subscribers. And yeah, keep joining me on this journey, keep having fun with me, keep commenting, keep liking, keep telling me all the advice that you have, because I promise you I take all the advice to heart and try to make sure that I bring you guys more inspired pieces and elevate my crafting just a little bit more. I also want to tell you guys about a few things that I am starting here on YouTube now that I am comfortable. I have a really small, close knit of YouTube friends that I adore so much, and I've been talking to a couple of them for a few months about this collaboration challenge that I am doing. So I've been talking to Nadia over at DIY with Nadia and Jenny over at Lovely Moments Creating about this collab challenge where I wanted to... So I really want to highlight the inspiration that we get from each other in this DIY community. So I came up with this collab challenge called the Inspired Me Collab. And it's where I take 4 other crafters with me, and we're going to be uploading our videos the last Friday of each month. So basically it's an idea where you take one DIY video from each of the 4 crafters. You take one craft and you make it your own. And I just really wanted to bring a collab challenge to all of our subscribers and viewers to show that we can take what somebody else has done, whether it's Farmhouse, Modern Farmhouse, and make it our own if we're a boho or an eclectic style. And I just thought that this would be really fun to highlight and just showcase how inspired we are by our crafter friends here on YouTube. So I'm super excited about that. I have some bookings up through May that I am so excited about. The first one will be in March 26th, and I'm super excited about the 4 other crafters that will be joining me on this. So if you are a YouTuber and a crafter and you want to get in on this collab and I haven't already messaged you about it, please go ahead and email me at diyamber18@gmail.com. I would love to bring you in on this and just have some fun and really just showcase what we all do and how hard we work on these projects and how much we love doing it, and just have fun. I just love having fun with everybody. Also, I do have a family channel called Green Family Adventures, and the last videos I posted on there was a cruise series that I took my husband on pre-COVID, of course, a surprise for his birthday, but I plan on uploading on there regularly with some things that we're going to be doing here as a family in the near future. So if you want to go ahead and subscribe to that channel, I would be ever so grateful for you. Again, that is Green Family Adventures. I've recently acquired a P.O. box. I've had a few sweet subscribers ask me for my P.O. box so they can send me some friend mail, and I'm super excited about that. I feel extremely grateful that you guys want to send me just like anything. So I will have my P.O. box here listed somewhere on this screen. So if you want to send me something, I am open arms for it. I think it would be so much fun to get to know you guys just a little bit more going forward. So yeah, I'm super excited about all of these things. 2021 is definitely going to be a great year. I can feel it in my bones. And I just pray that the Lord just gives us grace and make sure that everything is good. I just want everybody to be good, healthy, and safe, and just enjoy this year as best as we can. But yeah, that's all I have today. I really hope you guys did enjoy all of these updates and these new things coming up. When I do have more changes and more additions to bring to you guys, I will definitely let you know. I want to keep you guys as updated as I possibly can because I have so much fun doing YouTube and just hanging out with you guys. All right, let me get these kids some lunch and I will see you guys on my next video. Be blessed, stay safe. Bye. If you're new here, my name is MICHAWN and I do weekly DIYs, hauls, and other fun things. If you're not new, hey doll, hey. So I want to highlight. Okay, 1 second. So I really want to highlight. Okay. Shh. Well, let's count to 5. Give me 5. Give me. Count to 30. Just give me 30 seconds, okay? Okay. The first one will be in March. So, what's March's date?